Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how to buy Shiba Inu Coin with Crypto.com in 2021, alright? And disclaimer, I am not the financial advisor. This video is only for demonstration only, how you can buy Shiba Inu Coin. If you need investment advice, I recommend you to contact a financial advisor, alright? If you don't have the Crypto.com application, you find a link in the description. Otherwise you can just search in App Store or Google Play Store. This link is an affiliate link. That means I will get a small commission if you use it. Alright, so all you have to do is just open up your Crypto.com application. Just enter your passcode. Alright, so when you have created your account, you're gonna click on this button, Trade. And now you're gonna go and click on this one, Buy. And after that, we're going to click on this button, this search icon, to search for Shiba Inu Coin. Just search for Shiba Inu. And just click on this one, Shiba Inu. And here we can see that we can choose how many SHIBs we want to buy. We can choose credit card. We can also choose crypto wallet or fiat wallet. In this tutorial we're going to use credit card. Alright, so now we can choose how many SHIBs we want to buy. So you can delete this 7 million if you like, or just buy 7 million. So you can just add maybe 20 million if you like. In this tutorial we're just gonna buy 200,000 for demonstration only. So I'm just going to add 200,000, like so. After that we're going to go down. In here you can choose your credit or debit card, or you can add a new credit or debit card. And after that we can go down and click on this blue button, Buy SHIB. Okay, so then you see this window, 2.99% card fee. So you need to check that you have understood that this will apply a 2.99% fee. And after that, just go and click on continue. And now we can see that we have amount 200,000 SHIB, we have the rate, we have the fee 5 cents, we have the method, and total cost $1.84 USD. After that, we're gonna click on confirm. Just enter your password. And if you have a secure checkout for your Visa or MasterCard, just complete that. Make sure to not close the window so you can go back after you have completed your secure checkout. Okay, so I have completed my secure checkout. Let's go back to Crypto.com, enter password, and just complete your secure checkout. And it's loading, and like that. So now we have SHIB purchased, completed. You have purchased 200,000 SHIB. Tap anywhere to continue. Okay, so this will take you back to the home view. Now we're gonna go and click on accounts to see our Shiba Inu Coin balance. After that, we're gonna click on this arrow next to crypto wallet. And here you can see your Shiba Inu wallet. You can click on Shiba Inu text to get into your SHIB balance. Alright, and also if you go down you can see the latest purchased right here. You can click on it and here we can see the information about this purchased. Okay everyone, so this is how you can buy Shiba Inu Coin with Crypto.com in 2021. If you like this one, subscribe. Also check out my other videos. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.